This is a recorded reading of tornado watch or warning from the Weather and Climate Systems Unit. What is a tornado watch? What is a tornado warning? Both of these terms alert the public that a threatening weather system is approaching, but they signify different levels of danger. What they do have in common is that both alert the public that a threatening weather system is going to come. One, however, is more serious than the other, which we'll learn in the next paragraphs. A tornado watch means that tornadoes are possible given the weather atmospheric conditions and storm clouds in the area. Thunderstorms with high winds and heavy rain, for instance, may produce a tornado. Radar patterns that show the possibility of cloud rotation, such as a line of storms having a hook shape, are also signs to watch. Residents under a tornado watch should be alert to the possibility of a tornado warning coming at any moment. A tornado watch tells us that tornadoes are possible and to be alert in case one comes at any moment. A tornado warning means that a tornado has actually been spotted or detected by radar. People in the area should get indoors and stay away from windows and outside walls. They must take shelter immediately by going to their basement or the lowest part of their home. If they have no basement, they can go to a bathroom or a closet, particularly a closet under a staircase. A tornado warning is that a tornado has actually been spotted by eyes of people or by the radar. And if you're in a tornado warning, you need to seek shelter immediately, just in case the tornado comes. It brings its high winds, and that could really throw debris around and really hurt people. Preferably, people should choose an area well inside the house, away from outside walls. The main danger in a tornado comes from flying debris, such as tree branches, which high winds can fling through walls with surprising speed and ease. Once you're in your safe spot, protect your head and neck by covering up with cushioning and blankets. And don't forget a phone. Should a tornado strike your building, you'll want to be able to let people know where you are. How do you know when a watch or warning for tornadoes has been issued? Local television stations and the National Weather Service broadcast tornado watches and warnings on the internet, television, the radio, and through cell phone alerts. You can also listen for tornado news on Weather Radio, which is a special radio that broadcasts warnings and information for all types of hazards, including floods, hurricanes, and tornadoes, natural disasters, etc., and earthquakes. Forest fires, volcanic activity, technological catastrophes, including chemical releases, oil spills, nuclear power plant emergencies, and other national emergencies. Communicating about a tornado takes a variety of technological tools. First, we have weather tools that can collect data, including weather satellites, planes with anemometers, barometers, thermometers inside, a radar that can see precipitation. So all of this information gets sent to a federal weather office, and that federal weather office looks at the data and then uses commercial broadcasters, satellites, um, data towers to then broadcast that to your phone, your radio, your computer, the TV. Um, so the process of getting warnings out to the public is a four-step process, and it's technologically dependent. It's dependent on technology. In many areas where tornadoes are common, warning sirens let people know when a tornado has been spotted. These sirens usually also sound the all clear after a tornado has passed. To respond to a warning, follow the safety instructions given by the system. Finally, use your own eyes and watch the skies when conditions are right for tornadoes. A telltale greenish cast of the sky precedes many tornadoes, and so do extremely hot, humid, still conditions, followed by a sudden violent thunderstorm with cold gusts pushing through. If you watch the sky as tornado generating storms gather and pass through, you may see rotation in the clouds or formation of a wall cloud, which drops down like a fat mushroom stem from the cloud above it. Don't stand outside watching the storm too long. If a siren or other alert sounds, be ready to get inside and take cover. This last paragraph is to empower you to watch the sky to determine whether you think, um, to determine um, if conditions are right. You're going to watch out for a green sky, unstable temperatures where the temperature gets warm and cold suddenly, gusts of cold wind, cloud rotation, so the clouds are spinning, and then a wall cloud. This concludes the guided reading.